Greetings and welcome to Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. For today's episode, we are going to explore how to create dynamic charts with tables in Excel. When you create a chart in Excel, you have to define the range of the data that you will use for your chart. The issue with this approach is that if you have additional data, the chart will not be updated. To update the chart, you need to modify the chart settings before you can see the changes in your chart. To fix this issue, we will need to implement dynamic charts. The first approach that is flexible and easy is to apply the table formatting over the range of data that would be used for the chart. To apply the table formatting, select the range of the dataset, click on the Home menu, and click on Format as Table icon. Once you have defined the table, create the chart with the range of data you created earlier. Now try modifying the dataset in the table. Let's add some new rows to the data that is in the table. Notice that the chart is updated based on the new values that you have added to the data in the table. This is an example of dynamic charts in Excel, which will be very useful if you need to continually add data and visualize in Excel. So this concludes this episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any Excel questions, please write down in the comments below, and see you in the next episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang.